Today, let's save some money making your own foaming hand soap refill and face wash foam, while at the same time also being a little more environmentally friendly. Many companies make a lot of money from everyday consumers by selling products at overly inflated prices, and foaming hand soap refills are one of these examples. I've seen foaming hand soap refills priced at the same price as regular gel hand wash refills, and oftentimes the gel soaps even give you more quantity, thereby making the foam refills a bad idea for the consumer. What most people may not realize is that foaming soap refills are pretty much just watered down liquid soaps. If you make foaming soap yourself using the regular liquid soap refills, you can refill 4 or more times what is suggested. So instead of 3 times as seen here, you can get at least 12 times. Plus, you can use this method to make foaming soaps out of your favorite liquid soaps, face wash creams, body wash, and more. So try it out. Let's reuse an empty foaming soap dispenser bottle and refill it by using regular gel hand soap refill and distilled water. And look, I'll show you how to do this for cream face wash too.
Fracking Creations, a YouTube variety channel that touches different parts of your life. Want more videos on
DIY?
Subscribe to the channel or check out our website.
Step 1. Add soap. Fill the foam bottle with 1/4 to 1/3 of your favorite soap, body wash, or shampoo. It doesn't have to be exact as long as you have more water than soap. Same thing applies to the face wash cleanser. Step 2. Add water. Top up the bottle with water but leave enough room for the pump head and for mixing. I like to use distilled water because it is very clean and has impurities and minerals removed. It is also less likely to promote bacterial growth. Step 3. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly until the solution is uniform. And just like that, you have saved money and can refill 4 or more times, or just make a foaming soap with your favorite non-foaming soap or cleanser. Tips: you can experiment and adjust the amount of liquid soap you use depending on the strength or smoothness you prefer for your foam soap. More soap equals more smoothness. All the steps above can be done in a bigger container or 4-liter bottle so that you can make it once and refill multiple times. Don't forget to share and like if you enjoyed this video.